Hartford Public Schools now joining the majority of districts here in our state by switching to a mask optional policy as of this morning.
The switch comes a week earlier than anticipated. Fox 61's Julia LeBlanc spoke with the district about that new decision.
Why I need to wear masks?
Because we want you to be safe.
Hartford parents can now make the decision should their kids mask up at school or not.
I have mixed emotions about it.
For now, Chantel Stoltz is still asking her kids to keep their masks on.
I just seen, my kids come home sick a lot. So I think the mask could definitely prevent them, from getting anything.
But others have been waiting for this day for months.
I'm super excited. My 7-year-old was complaining that he doesn't get any mask risk in school. And it was really hard for him. And at his age, it's kind of hard to keep it on.
But just because students and staff now have the option to take the masks off, that doesn't mean that other COVID protocols are being ignored. There are a lot of other rules still in place to keep everybody safe.
Frequent hand washing, the distancing to the extent possible, cohorting as well to the extent possible.
And when someone tests positive, they'll have to isolate for 5 days and mask up for 6 to 10 days when they finally get back to class. Dr. Leslie Torres Rodriguez says they tested this all out 2 weeks ago by removing the mask mandate at athletic events.
Because we really wanted to monitor whether or not that would make an increase, that would increase the numbers, and we've seen none.
But they're still hoping to see an increase in vaccination numbers. Right now, 94% of all staff are vaccinated. 40% of students 12 and up have their shots, but only 18% of students 5 to 11 have been vaccinated for COVID-19. So the district is hosting free vaccination clinics every day this week.
If the health conditions change, then we also step back and we monitor and adjust as needed.
In Hartford, Julia LeBlanc, Fox 61 News.